Nearly 6 million views later on my last video explaining all the different changes related to aging that you see in this filter, and now I'm going to answer the most common question I got on that video, which was what can we do about each of these changes? I already made a video about things you can do to age healthily, so eat healthy, antioxidant-rich diet, don't smoke, drink in moderation, alcohol that is, use your sunscreen, use your retinoid, use your vitamin C, exercise, etc., get enough sleep. But this video is going to be about things you can get done, like procedures wise, to help these changes. First, let's address these eye bags. There's a lot of different causes for eye bags, but this one in particular is due to fat herniation. So it's my infraorbital fat pad coming down, causing this sagging appearance. This, unfortunately, will most likely need surgery, like a lower lid blepharoplasty, to remove the fat here. There's a lot of different causes for under eye bags. If you have a hollow, like if it's really indented and sunken down, then you do the opposite. You could do filler. If you have a lot of skin laxity and wrinkling underneath, then you might need some type of laser procedure. But for this one in particular, it looks like I would need a lower lid blepharoplasty. Next, these jowls and also these really deep nasolabial folds and marionette lines. So for these lines, we typically tend to put filler in up here to try to lift the cheek up. So as you fill over here, then it kind of lifts everything else up along with it. You can also fill directly in here and directly in here as well. With this degree of joweling and how deep these lines are though, I think a facelift will most likely give the best results for this degree. Let's address the wrinkling next. These are fixed wrinkles on my forehead, glabella, crow's feet, and honestly, the best way to prevent wrinkle formation is to wear SPF every day or hide from the sun, because we know that UV exposure causes photoaging and wrinkling over time. Next, I do think Botox can help with preventing wrinkle formation, because if you prevent the muscle from moving as excessively, if you're preventing that motion that causes the wrinkling, then you are preventing the wrinkling from forming. Wrinkles form because we repetitively smile, we repetitively raise our forehead, we repetitively frown. And as we do those motions over and over again, those lines become deeper and more etched. So if you think about it that way, Botox can help you prevent those wrinkles from forming, since you can't make those expressions as deeply. Hyperpigmentation and skin textural changes can be helped with laser like Fraxel laser, CO2 laser for tightening. Pico laser is great for Asian skin or skin of color. All those dark spots, it can help get rid of that. There's also some hooding of my eye, some laxity, and that would need an upper lid blepharoplasty. Let me know your questions.